Hey boys and girls, back with another math homework help video. So we did this in class today, so we're going to have some more of these problems tonight with changing inches to feet or feet to inches. So we'll go through some of these and you can write down some tips to help you. So the first one is asking which is longer, 5 feet or 58 inches. So you want to change this to inches and then compare them. Well, how do you do that? 5 times 12. And then write down your answer in inches and then compare them. Which is less, so same thing. Change feet to inches. So do 9 times 12. Figure out how many inches that is. And then compare it to the 99. But you got to say which is less. How many inches are in 10 feet? So you're going to just multiply. 10 times 12. Why 12? Because there are 12 inches in a foot. All right, Mark is 5 feet 3 inches tall. Lila is 62 inches tall. Who is taller? So for this one, you could change this to feet in inches, or you can change this to inches. So what I would do is I would change Mark, right? It's 2 steps. So Mark, you do 5 times 12, and you get a number. Right, and that number is going to be in inches, and then you take that number and you add the extra inches to it, and then you get your final answer in inches. And then you look at Lila and say, well, who's taller? Is it Lila or is it Mark? Which one? All right, number 5. Steve caught a fish that was 3 feet 9 inches long. How many inches? So same thing you did for number 4. This is 3 feet 9 inches. So multiply and then add, just like you did with number 4. Same thing for number 6. The table is 4 feet 6 inches long. The desk is 50 inches wide. Which is longer, the table or the desk? And you have to write down which is longer. So once again, you can change the table. You're going to multiply, then add, and then compare. Compare with the desk. All right, number 7, Miss Andrews measured the length of the coat room, 7 feet 5 inches wide. Is the coat room more or less than 90? So once again, multiply, then add, and then compare your answer with 90 inches. And you got to decide, is it more or less? You have to choose one of these. And then number 8, how many feet is in 80 inches? You got to divide. Why? Because silent but deadly. Small to big, you divide. So it's 80 inches. Inches is the small unit. Divided by 12 inches in a foot will tell you how many feet. But you also going to have leftovers. So you got to figure out the leftovers. If you don't know how to divide, skip by 12. And then keep going until you get as close to 80 as you can. All right, and the key word for today is Antoinette. Antoinette. Make sure you spell it right to get extra points. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye now.